This for you.
My man, my man.
The name is Eyi.
Eyi, my man. My man, my man.
Don't finish that food though.
Why?
I'm not going to eat for this house for like 1 week.
Say what happened?
No, that wicked woman will call herself madam. Now she talk about.
Baby madam? How? That one is wickedness now. I don't say we won't make you reduce, but no be by fasting. See what thing happen. Chop this one, eh? Once you finish, I'll go collect another one from baby madam.
No, she'll go give you just manager.
No worry, come for you know the fast now. Have you forgotten you are my friend? You made me got this job. See how they work here today now because of you. So eat this one once you finish. Once you finish, just give me the plate. I'll go collect another food from baby madam. Ciao. Ciao.
Okay,
ciao. Now we day here now.
Wow.
Ciao first.
Taste man.
If you go well, no, enjoy. Ciao later. Enjoy. They cook normally.
Take it life to jeje, magunusue, magu, magunusue. Take it life to jeje, magu.
Yes.
Magunusue. Who you be, sir? Your life will tire. Which kind future you get?
Madam, thank you very much for the food. But while eating, my plate mistakenly fell off my hand and I lost my food to the floor. Please, can I have a little more? Please. I know I'm not supposed to be doing this, but please. I don't want to go to bed with empty stomach. Help me. Just small food.
I'll get you food. But let this be the last time you come back asking for an extra plate.
It will never happen again. Asokwa Soja.
This life in no balance at all. Working even to be a man no is at all. Every day with your own wahala. Trouble every day. Take a life to jeje.
Here.
Madam, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Madam, please don't be offended. What's your real name?
Why?
You see, I like including my employers while praying. And I can't be saying God bless my madam. God, I don't want to confuse the Holy Spirit. So I need your name so that it will be like a point of contact. I can say, God bless this person. That's it. It's for prayer purpose.
My name is Ujunwa.
Hey. Ujunwa Lumane Soko. Ebony black Mwa. Hey. You're such a beauty. Waka. I can't believe you.
This life in no balance at all. Working even to be a man no is at all. Every day with your own wahala. Trouble every day. Take a life to jeje.
Hey, what is it?
I don't understand though. This is the complete I'm eating. And you haven't eaten anything. Yeah. Except this granite that of you are eating.
Yes, now. No granite mood. Be eating, huh? I'm happy that you are eating, so enjoy. I'm fine.
Okay. You mean you are fine?
Am I a baby? I said I'm okay. We're enjoying your food. But I'm not.
Don't worry. I'll do anything you want. Because you're a good man.
Thank you for acknowledging that I'm a good man. How do you know that I'm a good man? You can do me anything.
This life be no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Every day we think on wahala. Trouble every day. Take a life for jeje.
Magnum. Hey, sir.
It's not sir, it's chief.
Sorry.
Take this key, go and wash that car thoroughly. I'll be leaving with you shortly.
Okay, sir. Sorry. Okay, chief.
Let me ask you, do you know how to drive?
Driving. Sometimes I know how to drive. Sometimes I don't know how to drive. But the truth is, I can drive a little.
Okay, we will talk about it when I come back. Just make sure that car is washed before I come back outside.
All right, chief. Kewan, do you know how to drive? No, I love Takonamo. I can drive a little.
This life be no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Every day we think on.
You are going back to school this September, so get ready.
Sir? Sorry, sir.
I am giving you your last chance to get educated and better your life. If you fail this time, I will be left with no option than to send you back to the village where you belong. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
What are you still standing there looking at me?
You have not asked me to leave, sir.
Then you decided to stand there and look at me like a moron. My friend, will you get out of my sight?
Okay, sir.
Come back here.
Sir?
It's chief.
Yes, sir.
I said it's chief.
Okay, sir. Chief. Thank you, sir.
This life be no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Every day we think on wahala. Trouble.
Magnus.
Madam. Hey. Good morning, madam.
Magnus, what was that you hid when I called you?
Nothing, ma.
Are you implying that I'm blind or I don't know what I saw?
I decrease. You're not blind, ma. Just that it was... Okay, let me tell you, ma. Because of your beauty. It was my phone. I was trying to download TikTok.
So how come it took you this long to admit that I actually know what I saw?
I didn't want to stress your beautiful face and voice. Madam, forgive my manners, but if I don't say this, I won't get myself.
Magnus. Magnus. I don't want you behaving like Amy in this house. Amy has a very terrible character and I don't want that from you. Understood?
Yes.
Understood.
Yes, ma.
Good. Because I hate liars around me. Get the gate.
Hey. Madam, you more kind.
This life be no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Every day we think on wahala. Trouble every day. Take a life for jeje. Magnus. tire. Which kind future you get to? Agnuso, I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior. Akwa Makechi, Agnuso, Agnuso, Agnuso. Take it life, Jaja. Take up, Jaja.
Kai. Can their madam ever? My madam too fine. My madam is such a beautiful woman. My madam choke. I gotta enjoy you. I gotta enjoy you. But anyway, too. You mean saying that our guy? Where they wamba? Maybe say in days on earth are numbered. And they married that young, beautiful lady.
You don't say now. I was even there when they wedded.
I'm gonna enjoy you. Our madam too fine. Our madam fine. Can their madam ever? But let's say you don't stay here with your girl.
Anna. And that is why I'm going to miss this place.
Miss this place, what? What's going on?
Yes, so I'll be going out. My Oga wants me to return back to school.
That one there, but you need that school. You need that. But not so soon now.
In September.
September is around the corner now.
Yes, so.
Hey, who will go help me now? I don't get stranded for here with that one.
Okay, do what one?
You get some things where you're supposed to teach me now, where you never teach me, like how to on gas. I never sabi on that gas.
Okay, no one.
You don't change over, I never sabi do.
No, anything you want, just tell me, I'll help you explain.
Alright. Let me see.
I'm in bondage in the name of marriage. Enduring instead of enjoying. Oh God, why?
Hi, babe. You didn't tell me you'd be coming to the office today.
I needed to get home first to give a deep thought to what I saw in the office yesterday before coming here this morning with the small list.
What's the list all about?
It's nothing really, just 3 names I need you to get fired immediately.
I don't get it. Why?
I believe you heard me.
Oh, baby.
These guys are among the best this company has. I see no reason why you want me to fire them.
There's a reason for me to fire them. I don't like the way they were coming very close to you when the staff meeting was going on yesterday. And I want this firing to take immediate effect.
Baby, you know how all these things works. You know how it works. There is no way I will just fire these people just like that. This will mess up a whole lot in this company.
I believe there are more qualified people out there who will be more than interested to fill up those positions. Have a nice day.
I'm in bondage in the name of marriage. Enduring instead of enjoying.
Believe me, I know. The way you are behaving, definitely you will lose that lady.
That is impossible, Ibe. I am simply trying to instill the fear of God and me in her. I want to take her mind far away from ever thinking of cheating on me.
And you are pushing her towards cheating on you by being hard on her. Come on, man. I married a younger lady. I didn't treat her the way you treat her. Your own.
Ibe, my wife is prettier than yours, and you know this. You don't know the demons I fight on a daily. You don't know the nightmares I have every night thinking about someone trying to take her away from me. Ibe, that girl is my life. And that is why I married her as my wife. I will not allow someone to come and cut me with a knife.
From what I can see, you are pushing her into the arm of another man. Your behavior towards her is not fair. Don't say I don't tell you.
Marriage in a love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, make you not die before your time.
Oju, I'm talking to you and you're walking away.
What is it? What is it? Why are you following me around? What is it?
Ujunwa, what is going on with you? You never raised your voice at me like this. What is it?
That was before you lost the respect I have for you as a father. You are no father of mine. Get that into your head.
What? Uju, I gave you everything that you requested. Everything that you needed, including the company. Where have I wronged you?
A price, right? For a price that has left a sore in my soul.
As far as I am concerned, Mr. Anyanwu is a good man. He's only complaining that you're cheating on him.
That beast is inhuman. That man is inhuman. He's evil. I mean, he's the kind of man that no woman would ever want to wish to have a thing with.
Really? Really? Anyway, it's not my fault. I gave you all the chance in this world. I gave you the opportunity to present your own man several times, year after year, but you never did. I gave you the opportunity to be happy at your own terms, but you never took the opportunity, so I had to do what I had to do. Okay? I did not present Mr. Anyanwu as the first option. That you know very well. So as far as I am concerned, Mr. Anyanwu is your husband. There's nothing you and I can do about it. Okay? You better live with that reality.
You are highly despicable.
Me?
You are no father.
Me?
A father who doesn't know my pain, who can't feel my pain, is no father of mine. Excuse me.
You're talking to me like this? Uju, I'm talking to you. Ujunwa.
Marriage aboronike. Take am easy, make you not die before your time.
Even as boy don't talk to oga, and you no get respect you. And you no get respect you. Sabi lie, he sabi pretend. Onya rurala, ubunna yo so we mutadi opara. Enyi o, 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 enyi o.
Okay. Are you okay? Hey, okay. Okay, what's the inclusion? Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Hey! Sorry, sir. Okay. Okay. What can I call her? If I kill this man now, the coast will be automatically clear for me to take over his wife and this house. But the wife in question does not even know I'm interested in her. It will be difficult though. I might even land myself in trouble. Why am I even thinking of such thing? No. I am not a murderer and will never be. Oga, please. Hey, Oga. Oga, please, you're too deep for this. Oga. Okay, easy. Sorry, sir, easy. Okay, sorry. Okay, take it easy. Take it easy, yo. Sorry, sir. Okay.
Marriage na ije love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, make you no die before your time. Marriage na ije love, marriage aboronike. Take am easy, make you no die before your time.
Killing this man still remains the best thing I should do. But will my father understand? He would definitely think I have a hand in his death. Such thing can make me lose the company and inheritance. But how long? How long should I continue to live with this nightmare called husband? God! I am gradually turning into something very awful, all because of this idiot.
You know my August right from anywhere.
No. Why do you ask?
Nothing much. Look, I've been observing the way you look at her sometimes.
My guy, you worry, you know. You I like Okonamona and the mother. Don't you know you are too young for this conversation?
I'm 15 years old, so I'm no longer a small boy.
So what makes you think 15 years is not a small boy? When I did 15 years, I did go block rosary, charism with my fellow small children. We don't talk about women. I don't discuss women at the age of 15.
Okay. I'm sorry. Not too much.
Relax, change topic. You are not supposed to be talking about women at this age. Maybe from 38, you can start talking.
Okay.
Now, so how they behave? Oga nearly jammed me yesterday. If you see driving, he was drunk.
Oh. That man can drink for Africa. Hi. But not every time though. You have to shine your eye. You'll notice when he's drunk. Based on his behavior, the way he behaves when he comes back. He doesn't used to drink all the time. He used to drink when he's angry or frustrated.
For me?
Frustrated?
What you get to frustrate that man will get a beautiful wife? You don't say our madam too fine. Even if you owe somebody, as you come back, see that woman as your wife, you go forget everybody. But I'm not supposed to be frustrated. Our madam too fine.
My dad was here yesterday.
Why?
Why? He came to see his daughter.
He came to my house and never told me.
He came to check up on me. I was moved to tell him about the recent retrenchment at his company. But I didn't. Because I know it will piss him off. It is very obvious that you did it without any plausible reason.
Well, tell him that I, your husband, took those decisions. And that he has no right whatsoever over the company now. I don't see why I should worry or give a damn about his reactions based on my decision.
And so I ask, why are you doing this? This is a question you have refused to answer. Why are you doing this?
Now listen, I own you. You know what that means. It means that I have the sole responsibility to make decisions for you. Whether you like it or not, I don't care.
Shimo ebero wem ne mesimo Shimo ebero wem ne mesimo When I think that everything is settled, I see pains, more pains. I regret everything, 'cause I've lost my respect. Which way forward, oh God? Shema. Come to my aid, oh God, oh Shimo, ebero wem ne mesimo, Shimo, ebero wem.
Baby madam. Here? Baby madam. Why are you crying now? No, tears no fit you at all. Tell me the person responsible for those tears, eh? I swear, you don't know me too well. I will finish that person. The next thing you will see is obituary poster. Tell me who is responsible for those tears. You're too beautiful for tears now. I swear, tears no fit you. Who did this? I will kill that person. Baby madam. Baby madam, talk to me now. Who did this?
Open the gate properly. I'm late for work. Can you just open the gate?
Everything is settled. I see pains, more pains. I regret everything, 'cause I've lost my respect. Which way forward, oh God? Shema. make you not die before your time.
Even as boy don't talk to oga, and you no get respect you. And you no get respect you.
Ah, my man.
Customer.
Give
Which one you want?
This one. Sorry. Well done now. I see the bee.
Well done. The right charity for my forehead. Give me my money.
No, I see the bee now. Make I just.
See, guys. Don't provoke me son too much. Where my money?
What's it?
I say, where my money?
Yeah, bicycle.
Give me money now. I beg son too much. Don't provoke me.
No, I did come now.
See, body the pepper me. Body, give my money on my phone.
What if you are own? And I say make I bring money. Why they hook me?
If I brush you, you go reach like this.
No, do that thing.
If I brush you, you go reach like this before you reach.
You thought it's my heart. No, the fair height.
Give me my money.
My bring money now.
Silas.
Magnus.
What is my bag they do for outside? House go wan catch fire.
Magnus, when you come this compound, what be the agreement?
When I come.
No, now when I came.
If it is up now. Silas.
Magnus.
Silas.
Magnus.
What in my bag they do outside?
What be the thing where we agree when you come for this compound? What's your agreement?
You talk say I go to pay rent 6 months.
Beautiful. I thought say you go to pay rent 6 months. 6 months don't pass. You never give me 1 kobo. Okay, give me your money for rent.
Wanna boy him now?
Wanna boy again?
Shebi they see how life they toss me up. I don't say I no go pay, but the money never come.
Okay. So if landlord call me now and say Silas, give me money for rent, I'll go meet and tell Oga landlord, Biko wanna boy eh? Okay, give me your money for rent.
No, they do this thing. You my guy, you my brother. Onya na one day, I go pay now.
Onya na one year. Because I tell you, say, feel at home. You can't go carry your pictures, go dey hang for wall. Oga, give me your money for rent. Your 6 month money for rent. No be here.
What have I done to deserve this? What did I do? I wrong you. I say I go pay, but the money never come. Start to landlord, I go pay.
See, as it be now, carry your bag come out. Why you say you won't give me your 6 months rent?
No, don't do this to me now. We'll work on this now. If I get money, I'll give you. No just I no go pay. I go pay, but the money never come.
Magnus, this is the way they talk, no, they enter my brain. In fact, I don't even want you again. If you don't get money to give me, carry your bag, come out here. Which kind of sense is this one now?
They go here now. I get another place where I go go.
Where you from come here?
You won't lose guard me because of rent.
Carry your bag, come out here.
Meanwhile, if you see the babe where I sit, I get one woman, portable woman. She's black, ebony. Her body everywhere they do like this. Very sweet.
No wonder. Now I know wetin dey happen. So na woman here should dey look. Eh? You suppose the hustle, they make money, they concentrate, make you dey pay your rent. You can't they focus on woman.
No, I no go look around again because I dey owe rent 6 months. At first I see beautiful God creature wey fine. You dey say, okay, no, buy a glass for me. I beg, stop this.
Now this eye you suppose take the see money. You take and the see woman. I beg, leave this house. Where they go?
I go pay. I never get money.
Oh, God, carry this bag. Go. You even get mine. Fight me. Me wey be semi landlord. Because as I put you for my house, na semi landlord I be. Over toothpaste, my own toothpaste. You go dey fight.
You say we drag toothpaste. Ordinary clothes up wey me and you drag. You carry them for mine. No worry. Tomorrow I go buy full toothpaste.
Oga, I no even need you again. They go. I go pay. Okay, if like say na you carry that bad luck, come meet me for this one. They go. No be say I go pay. See, see, I go throw you. I go throw you.
I never chop.
Eh?
I I never chopped.
Give me my money.
I never chopped.
Give me my rent money.
I know say I no go pay. I go pay, but money no day for now.
You go do U-turn now.
You know day, say you know day.
You have to bring the money now.
I go shit money.
This life be no balance at all. Working even to be a man no ease at all. Every day with your own wahala. Trouble.
Magnum. Sir? Sorry, Chief.
I don't like absent-minded people. Huh? And it seems like you're always absent-minded.
Sorry, Chief.
Yeah. Take this for your trouble last night.
Chief, you don't have to pay me. I did my job.
You deserve it. You see, last night I had so much to drink, forgetting that I have to drive myself back home. But I thank God I made it safe.
Thank you, Chief. I appreciate this.
Good. I have a proposal for you. A new job.
Okay.
Aside being my gate man, I want you to pay more attention on my wife.
Your wife?
Yes. I want you to monitor her movements.
Sir, are you saying I should abandon my gate man job and be following your wife everywhere she goes?
No, that is not what I mean. What I mean is you monitor her movements in this house, especially when I'm not around. Monitor the visitors that come here to check on her whenever she's getting in her car to drive out.
All right, Chief.
Can you do that?
Of course.
I will increase your salary by 50% just for you to do a good job.
Thank you very much, Chief.
You're welcome.
I appreciate this.
And I will be expecting reports from you on a daily.
Of course. Of course.
See you. See you later.
This life be no balance at all. Working even to be a man no ease at all. Every day with your own wahala. Trouble every day. Take your life to jeje. Day with your own wahala. Trouble every day. Take your life to jeje. Which kind future you get to? Agnuso, I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior. Okwa Makechi, Agnuso, take it life to jaja, take up jaja, take up jaja. Life be no balance at all. Working even to be a man no ease at all. Every day with your own wahala. Trouble every day. Take it life to jeje. Which kind future you get to? Agnuso, I see they wonder where you go land with. This life be no balance at all. Working even to be a man no ease at all. Agnuso, every day with your own wahala. Trouble every day. Take your life to jeje.
And why are you sneaking up on me now with your oversized shoe? What in the up? See, I be get man no, but they careful. if he still collect water for here like this.
See, the food is in the dining. So you better go enjoy now that Madam and Doga is not around. And they are playing Man U match as well.
Man you dey play?
Yeah.
Man you dey play?
Yeah.
You don't be. Man you dey play?
Yeah.
You don't be. Thanks for the update. What do you cook?
Go check out. With this guy, if I'm not mistaken, maybe not touch carry. A big fool. Who did you bring into this house? Hi! Something is definitely off about this guy. Yes. And you just have to shine your eyes. And you go shine them very well.
Hell no! You should tell your father as soon as possible. What's this? He's in my house. Good! Did you tell him? No. The hatred I have for my father is enough to kill him. I don't want to have any further conversation with him. I mean, he's the major cause of all this that I'm having.
I understand that. But that doesn't mean that your husband should get away with such demented decision. This is unacceptable. What's this?
Nancy, as it stands now, I don't even know what I'm doing with this man. I don't even know the position I hold in my father's company. The marriage agreement states that once I get married, my husband automatically becomes the chairman of the company. So you see, if my father should give order right now, it holds no water. We are completely handicapped. I don't even know what to do. We can do little or nothing about this whole thing.
This is so unfair. How can you lose professionals because of one insensitive man's ego? Man.
Story of my life. Story of my life, my darling.
When I think that everything is settled, I see pace, more pace. I regret everything, 'cause I've lost my respect. Which way forward, oh God? Shema.
Marvelous. How are you?
Hey, Madam, just there. I get better updates. Oga, don't promote me.
Promote you? How? Where?
For this house now. Better promotion.
I don't understand. You just started work which day and you're already getting promoted.
It is the Lord's doings, and it's marvelous in our sight.
What position do you occupy in this house?
A new office and a better office. But madam, it's a secret. Yes. If you promise me that you can keep secret between me and you, I will tell you.
What's that your name again?
Magnus. But if you call me Maggie, I will like it.
Good. Now listen. I am not your class. So don't you ever in your life again stop me for this nonsense conversation with you. What's that supposed to mean?
I'm sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. Excuse me.
This life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man, no ease at all. Arguing every day with
Kanejenubi, Kokanaka.
taking life to jeje. Arguing mago. life will tire. Which kind future you get to? Magnus, oh, I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior. Akwa Makechi, Magnus, oh, Magnus, oh, Magnus, take life to jaja, take up jaja, take up jaja, Magnus, oh. This life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Magnus, every day with the own wahala. Trouble, trouble every day. Taking life to death. Magnus, Magu, 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 Magnus, taking life to death. Magu. Who you be, sir? Your life will tire. Which kind future you get to? Magnus, oh, I see they wonder where you go land with this your kind behavior. Akwa Makechi, Magnus, oh, Magnus,
Hey, Magnus, don't touch that gate. I'll fire you instantly.
Sorry, I just went to buy card to come and see you.
What did I tell you about abandoning your duty post?
You said you will fire me instantly.
Well,
please, I'm sorry. I needed to call my sick mom, so I just went down the street to buy a recharge card, sir.
okay. Just consider 10,000 naira of your salary this month for keeping me at the gate.
this life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Magnus, every day with the own wahala. Trouble, trouble every day. Taking life to jeje. Magnus, Magu, 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 Magnus, taking life to jeje.
Hey. I want to show him no. Make a man call you. Eh? It's better you minus money than firing me. If you fire me, I'll be. What again? What do you know what I'm doing? Now stop paying me, sir. Please, don't sack me.
Hi, babe. This document requires the signature of the company's chairman. So, you just have to sign your signature.
So you actually know I am the chairman of this company. Yet you vehemently question my decisions over and over again.
Baby, please. Can we just drop this? Okay? Just pen down your signature here.
I am not signing.
Why?
Because you refuse to ask nicely, as a wife ought to ask her husband if she still cares. I remember how you used to ask me things when you still cared about me.
I still care about you. Please, can you just pen down your signature here? Okay? I think I have really lost it. Yes, I have. I allowed my hatred for my husband to affect my relationship with my husband, forgetting that he is now the company's chairman by marriage. Which means there is absolutely nothing I can do in that company without his consent and permission. No. I have to get back with my husband. It is better I drop this hatred and make peace with my husband. Yes. Time will surely present an opportunity of me getting him out of my life. I just have to be patient.
Marriage aboronike, take am easy, make you no die before your time. Marriage naije love, marriage aboronike, take am easy, make you.
Magnus. My guy.
Hollandia, beg. Who be your guy? My guy. Boy, you nearly do wetin see. When they call me your guy, you don't be my guy. If you my guy, you don't go do that thing what you do. I mean, don't know so you mess up.
Wait, is that the thank you I get for doing your job?
Must you do my job? Okay, busybody. Must you do my job? And that job what you go do, make Oga nearly sack me.
Get like say not sack you.
Bien, forget say you be my guy. You. I dey beat children normally. Forget say you be my guy. If you don't say you be my guy, I go to beat you for this house on the wreck. How wanna?
I thought you say I'm not your guy now. See, you know how many money my God don't cover for my salary. Like, what do you even go to chef?
No be beans and plantain I go chop. I go chop beans and plantain from 1 kilo side. Normally, Oga don't come back by that time. But if I wait, make I come. Why you go do my job?
I believe Oga for outside, no you the one.
Okay, well, see, busybody. If this Oga sack me here, I for defeat you.
I beg you. When I be supporting knife for sacking.
Get well, sir. Get well, sir. You will not rest.
You're so funny.
Life is good. We don't need to massage.
Right, I know.
Yes, baby. As a matter of fact, I feel like lifting you.
Oh my goodness! Pull me down! Pull me down, please. Let me walk. Let me. Oh my goodness!
Hey,
are you that
good.
strong?
Yes, baby. Anything for you. Life is good. We don't
I
need to massage it.
know.
Mm.
Okay, please don't do that again. Seriously.
I thought she is not happy with her husband. Why the sudden closeness again? Why the sudden romance? I don't understand this girl. Nego dunwa. Ego vein unwa. Ebony black yama. Look at beauty. God when? Can this man just die and give us peace? God, die by fire, die by fire, die by fire, die by fire 7 times, die by fire, die by fire.
Maggie?
This life in no balance at all. What can even to be a man no ease at all.
Maggie, what's happening now?
Every day we think on one.
Maggie!
Trouble every day. Take a life to judge.
Maggie! Maggie!
Magnus!
Sir?
Magnus!
Sir? Chief.
Why do I have a flat card?
Jesus. I'm not aware, sir.
You're not aware? Is that what you will tell me? A car that you washed this morning, and you can't even pay attention that one of the tires are faulty. Magnus, are you sure you are ready to do this job that I'm paying you for?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think so. Because you have not convinced me enough that you're ready to do this job. Now go and get that tire fixed.
Yes, sir.
This life in no balance at all. Walking even to be a man no is at all. Every day with your own work.
The only way you can leave this compound, you must write down where you are going to, who you are going to see, departure time, arrival time, animal, place or thing.
You know, I've always known you to be a very funny man. But please, not today, okay? I have an important meeting to attend.
I can't remember telling you I'm a comedian before you employed me. I am dead serious here. You are not leaving an inch without keeping information.
Magnus.
Ma?
On whose order are you doing this? Anyway, I don't want to know. I command you to go down there and open this gate right now.
Commander.